What's up guys, KingMunch Animations here. Today, I'll be talking about vending machines. Vending machines can be really cruel monsters to all of us. We all know that. Like this one time, I was really hungry and then there was a vending machine. You already know what I had to do. Buy some snacks. So, I put the dollar in the vending machine like this.
Back it! No! Why did you put it? Ah! Grab it, Pat! Grab it! Hurry! Hurry! No! Pat! No! No! Get it, Pat! Get it! 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 No!
Want a bite?
Like why? Why does it do this? What the heck, man? Really? You gotta be kidding me. There's also another weird thing. When the snack gets stuck, people always shake the machines to get the candy for free. Like, it's really weird.
Take them off. Put them in your bag.
There's also this one thing that vending machines do. Oh yeah, you know what I mean. It gets your snack stuck. Really? Like what the heck? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Oh dang.
What? Seriously? What the heck am I supposed to do now? Well, I guess nothing then. I'm gone. Hey guys, it's MuffinMan Animations. What's up? I'm here doing the end card with KingMunch. I was really hyped to see that he wanted me to voice someone in his animation. That was pretty cool. Usually I'm the one asking people to collab with me, but that's really cool. Someone wanted me to collab with them. So, yeah, thanks to him. Go subscribe to my channel, MuffinMan Animations, and then his channel, KingMunch. They're both on the screen right here. So, yeah, bye.